Hey guys, hope you're well. So today we're going to look at Calculus 2, specifically integration by parts. Okay, I'm going to use Maple and Python. Okay, so the Maple will do the step-by-step guide, and then Python is just to compare answers. Okay, right, cool. So on a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you do like what you see, please do subscribe. Also, thanks in advance. So I'll start off by importing the libraries that I need. So with then student. Right, calculus 1. Okay, right, so that's done. Then here I'll need to type in from simpy import the star. And then what I need to do as well is type in init printing, then print. It's equal to true. And then my symbols that I'm going to use, so x and y equals symbols, x, and then y. Right, cool. So that's integration by parts. So actually, let me do it this way. Integration by parts. Okay, cool. So my first problem will be I'll start off in Python. So integrate. Okay. So 4 times x times cos 2 minus x. Yeah, with respect to x. There we are. Then I'll do the same problem as well in Maple with a step-by-step guide. So int tutor, right, and then 4 times x times cos 2 minus x with respect to x. Okay, so I'll just click on all the steps. So close that. So yeah, so that's integration by parts. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer for the indefinite integral. So there we are. Okay, so they're the same anyway. Right, so then cracking on to the next one. So integrate. Okay, so x squared times cos 4 times x with respect to x, right? And then the same as well, int, then tutor. So x squared times cos 4 times x with respect to x. So it's evaluating that for us. Okay, so all the steps. Right, and then when you click on close, it imports all that stuff into our worksheet. If you just close that, it won't do anything, so I'll close that. So then you can see all the steps to our integral. Okay, right, so they're the same anyway, so the same answers. Okay, right, so clicking on to the next one. So integrate x times cos x, yeah, with respect to x, right? And then likewise in Maple, int, then tutor, x times cos x with respect to x. So integrate that. Okay. So all the steps. So it shows you all the steps, right? So close that. So x times sine x plus cos x. So x times sine x plus cos x. Okay, right. And then cracking on to the next integral. So that's going to be log x. So integrate ln x with respect to x. Right. And then likewise, enter oh sorry, integration tuition or tutor. Natural log x. Right, all the steps. Right, so close that. So natural log x times x minus x. So x times log x minus x. Yeah, so that's the same. The only difference is the x is this side here in Maple, but essentially the same anyway. So yeah, cool. And then the final one, so integrate exponential x times sine of x. Okay, and that's respect to x as well, right? And then we do the same thing here as well. So int and tutor exponential x times sine of x with respect to x. Okay, so all the steps. Right, so close that. So minus negative. So minus exponential x times cos x over 2. So that's that. And then plus exponential x times sine x over 2. That's that. Okay, cool. So yeah, so hopefully this was helpful, guys. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe and please share the videos with your friends. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for watching and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye bye.